In today's tutorial, we are learning how to make this beautiful slide in PowerPoint that is very dynamic. So let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Picture and insert picture from this device. Then align center, align middle and adjust like this. Select this, go to Crop and cropping image like this. Click on Outside. Select this image, go to Crop and cropping image like this. Click on Outside. Go back to Insert. Click on Shape. Select Line. Hold Shift and drag to the center of the slide. And we will use white color here. Go to More Lines and increase width size. As the next step, we are going to duplicate the slide. Select this image, go to Crop and cropping image like this. Click on Outside. Also take the line to the right. Let's duplicate the slide again. Go to Crop and cropping image like this. Select this image. Go to Crop and cropping image like this. Click on Outside and then adjust the divider line. Duplicate the beginning slide and place it at the end to get a nice look. Go to the second slide and add information about this picture here. Go to the first slide, add the same picture information here as well and move it out of the slide. By doing this, the slide will get a beautiful look. Go to the third slide, add information about this picture here. Go to the second slide, add the same picture information here as well and move it out of the slide. Now select these three slides. Go to Transition, add more of transition and also increase duration size. Now let's see. After one click, it's look really adorable. Click again and then image will come out and then click for the final time and the image are nicely cropped. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.